In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join an expired Discord link. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about why you might want to know this. Perhaps you've been given a link to a community or a group chat that sounded interesting, but by the time you clicked on it, the link had expired. Quite frustrating, isn't it? Well, don't worry, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a simple workaround that might just do the trick. First things first, you're going to need to access Discord, so head over to the Discord website on your favorite web browser. Once there, you'll be greeted with the login page. Not logged in yet? No problem. The next step is to enter your email address into the designated field. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Discord account to avoid any login errors. After entering your email, it's time to key in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure you're typing it in exactly as you set it. If you've forgotten it, don't sweat it. There's always the password reset option. With your credentials entered correctly, go ahead and click the login button. Following a successful login, you'll find yourself on the Discord homepage. This is essentially your gateway to accessing all the features Discord has to offer, from your private messages to your server list and beyond. Now, for the purpose of finding that elusive server, you're going to click on the Discover tab. It's a relatively newer feature on Discord that allows you to explore and join new servers based on your interests. You'll find it quite handy, not just for this purpose, but whenever you're looking to dive into new communities. Once you're in the Discover section, use the search bar to look for the name of the server you're trying to join. If it's a public server, or if it's listed in Discord's server discovery, you should be able to find it with ease. Type the server name and navigate through the results. If you see the server listed there, congratulations. You can join it directly by clicking on the server's profile and then selecting the join option. But what if the server isn't listed? Here's where it gets a bit trickier. Not all servers will be visible in the Discover tab, especially private servers or those that haven't opted for public listing. In such cases, your best bet would be to reach out directly to a member or the administrator of the server for an updated invite. This can typically be done through mutual friends, social media, or other community platforms where members of the server might hang out. Some additional tips to keep in mind throughout this process. Always ensure that you're using an up-to-date browser for the best Discord experience. Also, consider verifying your email with Discord if you haven't already. This step can sometimes open up more functionality within the platform, including potentially helping with joining servers. Lastly, remember the golden rule of online communities. Respect the space and its rules. Once you've managed to join the server, take a moment to familiarize yourself with any guidelines or rules posted, often found in a dedicated channel at the top of the server list. This ensures you get off on the right foot with your new community. And there you have it. Though an expired link might initially seem like a dead end, with these steps and a little bit of perseverance, you might just find your way into the community you are looking forward to joining. Whether it's for gaming, studying, or just making new friends, Discord is a fantastic platform that connects people with shared interests from all around the globe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you join the server you've been eyeing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. See you in the next video.